Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what frame Adjoa searching.
Let me send this message to a year President John Dramani Mahama. Okay? I know a lot of you people know, say, I belong to the MPP and above all, I'm at the camp of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But there is one thing I've analyzed. Yetade Bo President Mahama Abaso say he is the most experienced politician Ghana Yenyawaha. And let me tell you, President John Dramani Mahama himself needs to be studied. Okay? There are a lot of positive things Dr. Bawumia is learning from President John Dramani Mahama. Because if you look at President Dramani Mahama through his political journey, one of the president was facing a lot. Because one, he buried his boss, John Evans Atamels. He has to also bury his own vice president, Emisata. He has to go back into opposition for 8 good years. After 8 good years, he assumed office. 8 months in office. 2 important ministers. Omobua amana memona koye omoko. It is not easy. If you look at President John Dramani Mahama, he has experienced everything. I think one thing that he deserves now is for us to pray for him to succeed so that he can send Ghana well. And above that, I know Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is learning a lot from John Dramani Mahama, because for him to go through all these, he never gave up. I bury my boss, I bury my vice, have to sit home for 8 good years, 8 months in office. Now we to President John Dramani Mahama. We from the camp of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, we want to tell you that we stand with you. We stand with you in everything. And we promise to tell you that we won't politicize this thing that is happening to you, because President John Dramani Mahama, from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's voice, we tell you, say,
and you're strong leader as a move. I drink policies. Now, who is a strong leader? Any day, strong leader, no anything. Strong leader, no any day.
I know be media them.
Any strong leader.
Now, no, Kevin Taylor, as a me by yes, see, a contemptuous statement near money bailing. And Crawford a cited case. Example, need to assess Ija Kevin Taylor. I don't can Japan statement in the site.
Now, I got all kind strong leader. Now, before I called the Yakum say, you know, presidents, dear two, no say, you know. Because a weak leader.
Yeah, no,
yeah, go a weak leader.
Say why you weak to the sense of vice president or ban in take you.
Yes, because a weak leader.
You're not
you. I don't swear. Say who that you? See, I see a weak leader there, and the Mahama is very weak because say you see a tour is very mabo. No man penino. The minister said we will not say but soon my means me my request is here intimidate my vice or your bar into your hell minus who could America and also my kind of saying
because per the analysis now must a weak leader. Emphasis are to known to her that who is a weak leader. Weak leader you'll be a or dream or man who and son or again.
Oh, media kwaku mestre beam. Any man with the who support on will bet me again. On opportunity now. Who the Roman Ghana for one thing? Who bet my bet Nasi? Abu first, the also opportunity, sir. Abraham one opponent from pudding,
especially a opponent and the may attack.
Omega was them.
You to be radio.
Omega was them. Just say, more to ding, and the hard when they say. Nipa according to records, Dr. Bawumia almost 42%. Most of the TV radios were and when you're 38. And when you're 38, and the zone when you now feeling, I just say almost winning back no police station bi na nyina ya ntro kwaku about to dey be you first day is August mu ye you aka 5 months dey akoto aba na you ye wia wo po you rally around one person be rally around that you fall off but will you be happy say nipa wo support na obi tin kra na ti radio so TV so to mpanifo dey emwa ye nyai
emwa enya ade ebo akra koka emwa
o hwe normal bia o fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wako elections onya asan
for onya 41.7
me pacho o te say ni 8 years no waye deal bia ye bobo ni din o te say ni governance time any assistance or the ma nanado obi ebeka say oni ni ye deal eno amfa ama no ana o 13 obi
debi
enye innovations ngwa na yehu ye hwe baby odi president vice president akosi hwe senia ade we si ye tragedy we si ye hwe senia wapeje ne mu hwe de waye baby a wakokọ why not stop it o candidate semo nkoba onim eya ye ka me pese ye hwe from this angle the otra de no enye na fe ene nkrofo edi na chi no what you say in terms of achievement die na oni pakro no obetro article no owo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obetumi di na to no hwe achievement owo over 50 normal or interventions ni innovations or the buy nipa na wudi na chi no enye aban a ka oye hwan
I was shocked me be kire me bomodin ase me hu a na me dia kire atifo that's why me can catch me can catch no pa no o say Ghana for say Bawumia depicted the asumdwe hidden nature of Tamils and I was like hey where ye class FM asante yen fa the bon krata no na yen hwe okay hwe said you must see some of the by Ghanaians hail asumdwe hidden Bawumia as he console Mahama over chopper crash tragedy. Oh, Sanya, where the custodian of Bokrata said you Mahama. And I send you see a far at the end of the Ebai. As Auntie Yan caught Yenim, if I see focus mainly on said you must see a Kawe Metro Lens, the Bokratano. And
Bawumia reflects Atamil's asumdwe treats. Was say Bawumia reflects Atamil's asumdwe treats. Ye no e will pitch it.
Metro Lens, okay. Asante Yan
the new crusading guide was say Bawumia reflects Atamil's asumdwe treats. It said the picture no and the one ma and now okay. Supreme was say helicopter crash. Bawumia hailed as leader who rises above partisan lines.
Okay.
Bawumia hailed as